This is part of the ongoing things that are happening as we are sitting here today. That the project against Matlalas, against Mulifes and others is being frustrated because the people responsible for this project are told by the magistrate never to enter the premises where this project is running.
So in short, General, you are saying someone must have influenced the first magistrate.
Commissioner, you are a judge. I'm sure, I don't know whether you will have access to get to see the charge sheet. You will make your conclusion, and you are all legal experts, whether was the statement from the investigating officer, or so-called investigating officer, I must qualify that. The investigating officer, Mr. Padayachi from IDEC, which was deposited, was brought to the magistrate seeking the approval of the warrant of arrest, whether was it justifiable for the magistrate to sign it. Then fast forward, you're coming to court. In court, you have a magistrate that comes with these bail conditions, whether was it justified. So behaviors of both senior people within the court, it makes me conclude that it's a part of a plan to frustrate this project. So I invite the commissioners to have access into this record in court so that we can be able to see what are they charged for and what crime did they commit. And while on that, I'm going to invite you to, I spoke about IDEC yesterday, that the arresting officer, which the court gave instruction on the bail condition that if these members want anything at crime intelligence premises, they must contact an investigating officer, Mr. Padayachi. Mr. Padayachi has never touched a case docket in his life. It's a person who's an ex-employee of the police. It's an individual who's an ex-crime intelligence member. But he's a head of that investigation against these members of crime intelligence. It is the magistrate that grants this Padayachi a right to have access to crime intelligence. If these members want anything at crime intelligence, they must talk to him. So we invite the commissioner to go and check on the record of the appointment of Padayachi in IDEC, his qualifications, and IDEC may will come here and justify why did they choose such a person to become a senior investigator at IDEC that is charged with the responsibility of dealing with serious crime, and yet to bring a person who retired from the police to become a head of investigation at IDEC with no qualification whatsoever on investigations, and grant that person an authority to be the one that is going to handle these matters. So I invite the commissioner to go deeper into that matter. I don't want to engage more on it, but it's a worry for me because it's a picture that is there for everyone to see. So what is then in the media, Commissioner, as part of the strategy, I said, this is how it works. Make them look bad. Oh, at last, the people at crime intelligence, they've been arrested because of the slush fund. We still have players at crime intelligence that were there in 2011 who are part of this plan, and they are still there today. Mkhwanazi are referring to them. So I'm going to end it there.